In this video, I will show how to remove ads in Skype. Click on Start, search Internet Options. Click on Internet Options. Now here click on Security tab. Now here click on Restricted Sites. Click on Sites. Now add here https://apps.skype.com/ then click on add. You will see this website is appear here. Now close it and restart your system. So this way you can remove ads in Skype. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method work for you or not.